I'm going to tell you exactly what I do to make money on social media. Okay, I'm monetizing my social media and I'm here to tell you exactly how to do it. You need one product. Pick a product. You need one social media platform. Pick one: TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, IG. You're going to market that product by creating these short form videos, just like this. You are going to drive organic traffic, those who like your videos, you're going to drive them to that product. Then you will repurpose your videos. Share them to TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And keep consistent for 3 to 6 months to get people to know, like, and trust you. Then you are going to wake up one day and you're going to start seeing your bank account change. Consistency is key. If you are ready to learn how to make money online, save this video and follow me, because I'm teaching you the exact steps you need to take in order to start making money online.